So if your Apple Watch Smart Stack is showing apps to donate, the good news is you can easily edit, remove, and add specific apps and widgets in there. So for that, either rotate the digital crown, or you can use the tap gesture if you're wearing it to open the Smart Stack. Go to the end of this section and tap on Edit. Now, it's simple. To remove a widget, just tap on this red minus button. And to add a new one, you can either tap on the group where you remove the widget, or simply tap the plus icon at the top. In both cases, you'll end up in the widget library. And here, if you scroll down, you'll see different categories. Just browse through them. But please remember, you can add up to 8 widgets in this Smart Stack. And from here, by hitting this tiny pin icon, you can pin your favorite or frequently used widgets. And they'll show up at the top of the widget section. And your selected widgets will now appear in here. Apart from that, if you press on the digital crown, open Settings, then scroll down to Smart Stack. In here, you can also improve Smart Stack suggestions by enabling live activities. Just allow live activities, and then scroll down, and from here you can enable live activities for all those apps you want to appear on your Smart Stack. And that's all for today. See you at the next one.